we're staying here for like 3 days and 2 nights. So, ang cute ng place. Like, here, I'm gonna quick tour you guys. May space kami here for like luggages, and then nandito yung bed namin. And then, ito siya. So, yun guys, mag-rest lang kami. Nag-watch kami ng movie and nakapag-eat na kami ng lunch sa Jollibee kanina kasi malapit lang siya dun sa terminal. So, mag-rest lang kami and then later mag-eat kami sa mini cafe kasi may mini cafe outside na doon pinag-stay namin and sila rin yung may-ari. So, yan. See you later guys. Heading out na to eat breakfast. Kanina pa kami nagbo-book ng Grab. Mga 30 minutes na wala kaming mabook. Kaya maglalakad na kami hanggang highway. I don't know. Pero it's currently 8 AM na pala guys. 8 something AM. Na 9 na. Mga 30 minutes na talaga kami nagbo-book. So mag-walk na lang kami. And hindi super lamig ngayon. For me, mas malamig pa rin yung kagabi. I ordered croissant, guys. It's butter and jam. Hi everyone! So, we have finally reached the view deck number, I don't know, pero dalawa lang yung view deck dito. Kanina pa kami naglalakad simula Igorot, Stone Kingdom, tapos nilakad namin from there to here, and then naglakad ulit kami pataas. But I think it's worth it naman. Ganito siya kataas, guys. And may tataas pa ba doon? Pero hanggang dito na yung kaya namin. Sobrang nakakapagod. And plus the fact na naka-sandals pa ako. Hindi ako naka-hiking shoes, rubber shoes, or whatever. Naka-sandals lang ako, guys. Kasi hindi ko alam na ganito pala. Akala ko lakad-lakad lang. Hindi ko alam. Aakyat pala ng... Anyway, magta-taxi na kami para sa next time. So, carrot cake and matcha.
Sipping an overcame. We're far from where we started when things were getting harder. I'm trying to feel your pain. I know I'm pretty stubborn, but you're also pretty stubborn. I'd never talk about our next move, and it's getting old.
Hinihintay ko sa trip na to kasi gusto ko talaga pumunta ng La Union. And right now, nakapag-check-in na kami. And actually, 3 PM pa yung check-in namin pero pinayagan kami mag-early check-in. So, nandito ako ngayon sa balcony. Tapos, eto yung view, guys. It's really pretty and sobrang tahimik ng place. By the way, we are in San Fernando, La Union. And yung pinag-check-in namin is called Oreo, or I don't know how to pronounce it, but basta sa San Fernando siya. And today we don't have plans. Siguro explore lang namin yung place. And tomorrow na rin ako mag-take ng pictures. And kakain na rin kami ng lunch kasi nagugutom na kami. It's already siguro mag-2 PM na. And dagdag ko lang, guys, we're also planning to go sa San Juan. Hopefully, hindi kami tamarin kasi medyo, I don't know, parang feel ko ang layo rin ng biyahe. We also need to ride a taxi kasi medyo loob din tong pinag-check-inan namin. And sana hindi kami tamarin kasi we have our own beach here and pool. So, also, init. Ibang-iba yung weather, syempre, here siya ka sa Baguio. Sa Baguio, kahit like sunny, malamig pa rin. Dito, ang init, guys. As you can see, sobrang oily na ng face ko. Kaya, ayun, papasok na ako sa loob. Good morning, everyone! So, it's currently 9:55 AM. And we are going sa San Juan. So, for the outfit of the day, I don't know if you can see, pero mamaya na. Pero swimsuit na ako sa loob just in case na gusto kong swimming daw. But, magta-taxi lang kami, guys, kasi medyo malayo pa siya here. So, guys, first stop. Nag-shopping agad kami. Pinabili agad akong top for later natin.
Gusto ko talaga to, guys. It's pretty.
Ay, may bigay pala si mommy sa akin. So, but this one's cute.
Ito cute, oh. Ito, mami, cute, oh. Cute. How much is this? 1.5. Pwede na. Mami, oh. Guys, ang cute! Pangat lighting. Cute! Favorite color ko ang green, so... It's hot, but I love the sun. Bakit ba kasi hindi ako nag-shades, di ba? There. Oh my God, guys. Ang harap.
Maganda yan, Kingsman. Si ano yan? Hindi yung ano, ba't kang artista? Artista? Kapalit ko yata niya.
Pati kang artista.
Ano daw?
Hi everyone! So, nandito na kami ulit sa hotel. And hindi kami nakapag-swim sa San Juan kasi tinamad na kami. And super duper duper init kanina. So, kumain lang kami ng lunch doon. And nag-coffee na rin kami. And dito na lang kami mag-swim. So, ang plan is mag-swim kami ngayon sa pool. And hindi ako mag-swim ngayon sa beach kasi ang plan ko is tomorrow na lang, morning or afternoon. But nag-change ako ng outfit. It's not very my style, but bigay siya ni Mami and I think it's cute. Kaya sinuot ko rin siya. Back na siya, guys. But anyway, let's go na. Kasi hapon na din, so...